Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the lift gate, also known as tailgate, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea, guys, to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered up absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them, guys, completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, the lift gate, also known as tailgate, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban right here. By the way, guys, both of these models are built on the same platform. It should apply to both models. The main difference is the Suburban is longer and the Tahoe is a little bit shorter. Now, quick reminder, 9 out of 10 owners probably do not know that there is up to 5 different fuse boxes all over the SUV. That's okay, guys. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel to help you out. It's called Fuse Box Location and Diagram on Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban. So, what you guys need to do first, open the trunk, then you need to come to the driver's side. You see that cover here, okay, on the driver's side, pull it out. When you do that, you'll find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, we need to check multiple components today. You may have all of them, you may have some, depending on which tailgate option you have, which year as well, but check all of them. The first one, you may have fuse number 5. We don't, but if you do, check that one here. Then you need to check fuse number 7 and fuse number 8. Right here will need to be checked. You need to also check fuse number 12. Very important fuse right here, fuse number 12. Then you need to check relay 16. If you have the power tailgate, it's very likely that you have a relay 16. That's right here. So practically, guys, those are the main things that you will need to check. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.